Welcome back. I hope that this relationship tips helps also in times like this. Now, this week we look at how can you be a couple in times where you don't know what to do. Because in times like this, we have no solutions. We don't know. And that's a very vulnerable place to be, not to know. Not to give answers, not to have that security and that knowledge to know what's going to happen next. In vulnerable times like this, in insecure times like this, how to be a couple. Because unfortunately we live in a world where we want solutions now. And if we don't have the solution, we think there's something wrong with us. And then we tend to disconnect. We tend to break relationship. Now, this is not a time to break relationship. This is a time to be in relationship. In vulnerable times like this, it is maybe now a good time. In times where we don't know what to do next, to practice to be a couple while we don't know, to be a couple in the unknown, in the vulnerability of not knowing. Not knowing is not a sign of incompetence in times like this. It is not a sign of not loving each other. It's not a sign of not caring. It's just how it is right now. We don't know. So the tip for this week is develop your capacity to stay present, to stay connected in times of not knowing. In fact, being left alone in times like this, to feel isolated, that's unloving. If you want to be a conscious, loving couple, not just in good times, but also in difficult times like this is where love really starts to matter unconditionally. Develop your capacity to stay present, to stay connected while not knowing. For this week, stay present, stay connected, and all the best for this week.